So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm here with John Yan, yes. So John is a good friend of mine. He lives in the States in New Jersey, but actually he has an apartment with his wife here in Uganda. So he's going to be taking us around with you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share out with friends and family. Yes. So John is taking over the channel to show you guys around.
All right,
Yes.
so this car, we don't own it, but we rented this car, and this was about $100 for like a week. Yeah, so we have it for 2 weeks, and it's a nice car. It's dirty right now, but
So
it's reliable
when you
too.
rent it, for example, when you come into the country, you do you have dealers who actually rent the cars or anything like that?
Well, Deborah did everything, but she has a friend that finds the car for us, and then we rent it that way. Yeah, so she knows a little bit more than me. Like, I just gave her the money.
Okay, but it's $100 for every
Yeah, about a week. Yeah.
about a week. Yes. So, guys, this is John's neighborhood, as you have seen going on over here. How are you finding the neighborhood so far?
I like it. It's very peaceful. It's no one bothers me at all. It's gated, so not anyone could just come up in here. Yeah, we have a gate guy up there, so like anytime we need to get in or anyone wants to visit, he'll open it, and I feel secure, I feel safe, and I feel at peace here.
Okay. So, what is your like for this rent for the house of this house, the apartment? How much do you pay a month in
This
USD?
is about, I'm gonna say like 150 a month, like
150
150.
USD
Yeah, yeah, a month.
So
Yes,
that's quite.
yes.
It's good
That's
actually.
really good. Yeah, I could spend $100 in like a second in the States. So,
Yeah. So you're going to be taking us
yep.
in.
There's shoes that cost more than that. Like,
Yes, I heard of that. That in the States, you guys
yeah,
buy crazy shoes.
yeah.
Yes.
So this is the living room, and when we first got here, it didn't have anything. So what I did is when I worked, I tried to buy at least like three things every paycheck. So I would buy like a TV, a couch, and like a fridge, like all the important things I tried to get first. So at least every paycheck, I was able to buy like 2 to 3 things. So let me see, a paycheck of like 12 to like 1400 or something, and then just take some of that and try to get what I could. Certain things will cost different things, like the fridge might be more than the couch or stuff like that. So I just did it. I just try to get the most important things as I could. Like, so little by little, that's how we did it.
Oh, okay. So you guys, this is John's living space with his wife going on over here. Amazing TV going on over here. How much is the TV? If you are just estimating
The
USD?
TV, I'm gonna say like less than 200.
Less than 200
Yeah,
USD.
maybe like 120, like something like that. Maybe
It's more than
100.
that.
You think so? Well, you know, you might want to ask her some questions because she.
Definitely, she will give us more
Yeah.
information. So that is the
So how much
couch.
you think it was, babe?
It was like 800,000 shillings.
800,000
Actually,
shillings.
yeah, it was 800 to 900. I don't remember very, but it's a smart TV.
Oh, yeah, around 900,000 Ugandan shillings.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the approximate amount. Yes. So the shoe rack going on over here. There, John. John, actually, you have a puppy, a dog.
Yeah, that's my brother's pug.
Oh,
Yeah, so that was the first one that he got. He has 3 now. Yeah, but that was the first one.
yes, and that is John's wife, Deborah. Yes, very, very, amazing space. Guys, you know that too. I love minimalism, and this is the absolute, picture of everything. The couch here, just our bags and all that. So John, take us through your kitchen area.
Yeah, so this is the kitchen. And I think one of the first things we got up in here was like these chairs here. This was completely empty. Like you could just echo up in here. Like
It was a complete empty space.
yeah, so for a little while, like she like slept on the floor and stuff. Like so we had to like, build it up. But this is the stove. We got a rice cooker. We have the kettle right here, blender.
So all these things you're buying them from Uganda here.
Yeah, all these things were from Uganda, from Jumia, which is
the Jumia application.
which is like Amazon. It's the same thing.
So if I'm to ask you a simple question, how can you rate like give the general price of especially electronic things here? Like give a range.
Well, like an air fryer in the States, for like a good one, you'll spend like about 100, like 120. But if you could get a pretty cheap one for about like $50, maybe a little bit less than that. And then there's sometimes that they'll sell like used stuff. So we got like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, like stuff like that. So you could actually buy it like cheaper.
Meaning that you can buy these things, all of them, online here, either on Facebook Marketplace or Jumia.
Yeah.
Or just people who are selling their own stuff.
Right. And Jumia, you can find anything like t-shirts, boxers, air fryers, fridges, TVs. So most of the stuff we have came from Jumia.
Oh, that's amazing. So this is
These are all like the pots and stuff like that.
utensils. So did this come with a house?
This came with it, yeah. And the only thing that came,
The
the
cabinet.
yep, all the cabinets, everything else we had bought.
Oh. Okay.
And like I said, we did it little by little. Just working. Like some people's budget is different, so that's how we did it. Just little by little, and just kept building it up. And I would say like 5 to 6 months we had like everything we needed.
That's good.
Yeah.
So it's a 2-bedroom house? Or
Yes.
It's a 2-bedroom house.
This is the washer and dryer right here.
So how much was the washer approximately in USDs?
I'm not really sure.
How much was it in UD or USDs or Ugandan shillings?
Uganda shillings.
I would think this was like about $100, I would think.
No.
What you think? You think more than that?
Do you know how to convert?
I don't know. You gotta help me out. I'm still learning.
You can get
so.
that for $100. 350,000?
350.
So how much you
do
think?
expect it to
No.
be?
That thing was 850,000.
850,000
Yes.
Ugandan shillings. That
All right,
is
so how much?
approximately 280.
300.
Around 280,000 USD, around 280 USD.
All right.
Yes.
Well, it didn't seem like that
No.
at the time.
So it's a washer only, or there is a dryer?
Oh, it's a dryer. So this is the washer, and then this is the dryer right here. So that's the washer, and then this is the dryer part.
Oh.
We got like stuff in there, but it's like cleaning stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. So with the money, like I apologize because like I'm still learning.
I'm going to teach
everything.
him.
You'll teach me. All right.
There are lots of applications where you can do it easily.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna show you those applications.
But if you work hard, take your time, you could do it.
Yeah.
Like anybody could do it. And like I said, we did it little by little. So.
Yes.
And then this is our main bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. And like when she first came, I was still in the States. So I had told her, like, look for a place, look for an apartment. She looked at one before, it wasn't really that good. Then she came to this one. And we were the first people to move into this one. So I asked her if she liked it. She said yes. And we paid, I think we paid like 3 months at a time. Like, yeah, it was like 3 months, something like that. And I sent the money, and then she got it.
She got the place.
Yeah. So one of the apps that I use to send money is World Remit.
While dreaming.
Yeah.
It comes in USD or in Ugandan shillings?
It comes in shillings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I wish it would come in dollars. So if there's a way that we could get dollars here, if anyone knows, like, let us know.
Oh, okay. Definitely. They'll let you.
Yeah.
So all this, like, interior decor came in the house?
Yeah. So like, this came with the house, like the mirror, like all the other stuff we bought, and the cabinets came.
No, they also came within the house.
With the house, yeah.
That's amazing.
So we got the chair, like we got the bed, you know, the covers and all that. And I will recommend, like, if you do have a house here, or you plan on having one, try to bring like American like sheets and stuff. I found the sheets a little bit better, and kitchen stuff. Try to bring like anything, pots, pans, like just the quality is a little bit better. Yeah, like the forks were like a little bit flimsy. The knives are flimsy. Like, I'm not saying there ain't knives here that you could get, because you could find it. But if you're just doing like, you know, going out quickly, like we have dollar stores. So if you just like going to get quick stuff, like, you know, like an American dollar store is a little bit better quality.
Oh, okay. So you're going to take us to the second?
Yeah, this is the, well, we could look at the bath. This is the bathroom right here.
So this is the bathroom.
And then this just goes out to the hallway where the dryer and washer was.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the bathroom. This I brung from the States. I'm sure they have it somewhere. And then I just put this here, like, for now. Like, I'm going to make it better, but I don't like how they did this. Like, because the water sometimes will go out that way.
Slip out to this side.
Yeah, so I did that for now. Like, I want to put, like, bricks and stuff. Like,
okay.
But it's basically everything we need. There's hot and cold water. We have a water heater.
Tell
right
them
there.
about that.
Yeah.
They can be thinking that we are only having
only
cold
cold
water.
So when I went to Dominican Republic, it's cold water everywhere because it's a hot place. Like, they do have hot, but not really like too much, you know. Like, but here we do have hot and cold. Toilet works fine. It's like an American toilet. We're not squatting on the ground or nothing like that. Everything is good, you know. It's perfect. Everything works, like, you know, toilet flushes. It's perfect. Sink works. Yeah. Toothbrushes, all that stuff, towels, all that you could get here. It's the same way. You go to a store, you'll find everything. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Yeah, toilet paper and everything. And this is even cool because, like, when you're taking a shower, it won't get wet. So, you know, we still got the toilet paper. It won't even get wet. So.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
This is when a lot of, you know, toilets, you know, papers that can get wet.
And this is one thing I like too. Look at this. You know, wash around and stuff. Like.
That's amazing too. Yes. So right now you're going to take us to the second bedroom.
Yeah, the second bedroom. So that one is smaller, and we don't have like too much in there because it's just us, and like I was just worried about making sure we're comfortable like here. Second bedroom is here. And she just got a sewing machine. So she been making clothes, making me clothes. This is her sister's bed. So her sister is in college, and we told her we'll hold her bed. But yeah, this room is smaller. This will probably be like for a kid or a baby, or guests could stay in here too. You know, you could get a nice bed, maybe like a twin or like a full or something. And I like it because the ceilings are high. They're like really high, so like. And then there's a cabinet right here, or like
Also, this
a
cabinet
dresser.
comes with a house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's amazing too.
Yeah. So we can put stuff up there, like. But yeah, this one is just a little bit smaller. That's it. Yeah.
So, John, as we're about to finish, what is one thing you would love to say, especially to people out there?
Well, what I would like to say is like a lot of the stuff that we see on TV isn't what it is. Like, we see Africa as a poor place, and like no one could do anything here, and everyone's begging for food. That is not the truth. Like, you see how I live here. Like, I'm living better than a lot of people that's living in America. Like, some people can't even live like this. Like, and I feel like here they have everything you need. Like I said, like we see stuff on TV and it's like, oh, this is such a poor place. You know, they're gonna live in a hut and you can't get this and that. That is not the truth. Like, so I encourage more people to come here and just open your minds up to stuff, to the possibilities of how other people live, the culture. It's a lot of rich culture here too. A lot of beautiful places. And I enjoy it. Like, I want to retire here. Like, I love it here. And it's such a peaceful place. Like, I haven't even seen people fight or argue here. Like, it's just such a peaceful place. And I would just hope that more people come and experience it. You know, don't listen to what people say and just take it for what it is. Like, you know, do your research, like read, watch videos, ask questions. Like, that's what I did. When I went on YouTube, I wanted to learn about it. And one of your videos was like the first one that I seen. And your videos, you showed me a lot too. Like, it wasn't that many people talking about Uganda. So I thank you for that. Because you really did open my mind to, you know, to wanting to come here. Even the people are so friendly too. So friendly, really helpful. I just feel at peace here. Like, I feel at peace being around people that actually look like me. Like, you know, like getting stopped by police or anything like that. I'm not as afraid as I am as in the States. You know what I'm saying? Like, anything could happen in the States. Like, you know, as a black man, you have to be careful. You have to do this and that. Like, but when I come here, I feel at peace. I feel like I'm around my people.
Also, it's a good feeling to have a friend such as you who can be willing to actually share this information.
And this is my second time here.
Yeah, by the way, this is the second time here. So it's really amazing, and I'm humbled that you have taken us through and all the advice you have given people out there. We are going to be doing a sit-down video, kind of a podcast-ish, and talk about these things in depth. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, let me meet you in next time's vlog. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.